Okay, so we got this situation. If there are 11 player in a cricket team, okay, all of whom shake hand with each other, so all of them are handshaking, okay, how many handshake take place in the team? So these 11 players are handshaking with each other, okay, and they will handshake with each and every member, okay. So we have to count the number of handshake. So this is very popular type of question. You should understand the concept first. So look, you cannot say that like you will count the number of handshake done by you, okay, because look at this. If you will focus on your counting and you are focusing on everyone else counting, the thing which you are counting, like suppose you are handshaking with me, okay, so you will count this handshake and also I'll count this handshake, okay. So this process is repeated, correct? No, so you have to avoid this repetition cases. So how we will handle this situation, try to understand. And also you will have two types of questions in this category. First, they will give you the number of person and then they will ask you to find out the number of handshake possible, okay. Later what they will do, they will tell you that the number of handshake done in a classroom is this. Find the number of student in the classroom, okay. So these are the two types of questions which are being used in this category. So we will handle both of them. Look at this. So they have mentioned there are 11 persons. So let's write those. Suppose it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Correct? So these are the 11 members. Now focus on A. So A will handshake with B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Now focus on A. So A did total number of 10 handshake. Correct? So done with A. We have counted each and every each and every handshake done by A. Now focus on B. Okay. So the idea is, look, you cannot go back, okay, because look at this. I will proceed in forward direction, means A, when I will talk about B, I will not count this handshake, okay, which is being already used by A. So look at this. I'll go in forward direction. So from B to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So look at this. So B, because of B, there are 9 handshake in forward direction. So I will go with forward direction only. Okay. Now focus on C. So you know that like earlier it was 10, then 9. So hopefully we will get answer as 8. है ना? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 situations. Now focus on D. Okay. So you know that there will be 7 cases. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay, so these are the number of cases because of A. Okay, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. K will not handshake with anyone, okay, because there is no person in forward direction. Okay, so can I say that it is like it is sum of 10 natural number? Can I say that it is n into n plus 1 by 2? Correct? Or look at this. So according to us, we got 55 handshake. Correct? Means, can I say that there will be required number of handshake will be, it will be what? N minus 1 into n by 2. Okay, so try to memorize this thing. Later I'll tell you how to handle this situation differently. Okay, but for time being, try to digest this concept. Okay, so you can follow this one, because look at this, here we have used 10, here we have used 11. Okay, and you know that there are 11 number of person. Okay, so you can go with 11 into 10, you can go in any direction. Okay, now look at this, look at this question. Everybody in room shakes hand with everybody else. The total number of handshake is 66. Okay, the number of person in the room is, so you have to count the number of person available in the room. So you have recently figured out that it is n minus 1 into n by 2 will be equal to 66. Correct? No, number of handshake is n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, and if we will get value of n as some number, that will represent the number of person available in the room. Okay, so let's solve this one. So n minus 1 into n, so it is 12, 13. Correct? Now look at this. So we will get quadratic in n square minus n minus 132. Okay, now look at this. So let's factorize this one, because look at this, you can write this thing as n square minus 12n plus 11n, okay, minus 132 equals to 0. Now take n common from this, and 11 common from this. So this comma n minus 12. So we got n as 12 and minus 11. You know that the number of person cannot be negative. Okay, so the number of person will be what? 12. So required number is 12. Okay, so these are the two types of questions hopefully they will ask. I hope the idea is clear.